Hey YouTube, what's up? Today I'm showing you how to get Cydia on iOS 9 without a computer or a jailbreak. As you can see, I have the iPhone 6 here and I am running iOS 9. I have the new Spotlight search and also you can see it's all the new features. You got the new multitasking. I like it. It's really easy to use and I really like the new update, and getting Cydia with this will be even better. So as you can see, I'm just going to go settings here. I also have the new search thing that comes with iOS 9. This is going to be great for searching for tweaks. I got the battery thing, which is a great feature. Um, so anyways, going back to the jailbreak here, so what you want to do is go into Safari and go to link into the description. The website will be 9cydia.weebly.com. So if you don't feel like typing out, just go to the link in the description. So what will happen will be a list of downloads here. And so what you want to do is press on one, press install, or it'll just bring you to a list of applications to download, which you will need to download. And then what you need to do is it will take you to the App Store, and you just want to press open. And as you can see, it will direct you straight to the App Store. And so this seems a little strange that you need to download an app, but it actually downloads it in the background. The developers of Cydia have been using this method for a couple years now. Cydia has not been able, Apple's not been able to stop this. So what we're going to do is just wait for this to download. It has finally finished downloading. What you need to do next is open the application and use the application for about 5 minutes. And you also need to complete any registrations or tutorials that the app asks you to do. So I'm just going to swipe through all this stuff, and I will fast forward this process so you guys don't have to wait for me just going through a tutorial on using the app for about 5 minutes. Okay, now that I've used the application for about 5 minutes, what you want to do is go to settings. Let me just get to, you want to go to, let's cancel this, go to your password and turn it off. It's all you really need to do. And then next step is to turn off your device. So I just got to turn it off. Here we go. Type in my password one more time. And then what you need to do is turn off, let me get out of here first. You need to turn off your device by holding the sleep button and then turn it back on. I will speed up this process. You don't have to wait a long time for me to do this. Now that we're officially done this, turn it off, turn it back on. As you can see, you have Cydia on your home screen, and so what you can do is open it up and you can install applications. You got the full Cydia, everything. So that's it. Please rate, comment, subscribe. That's how you get Cydia on iOS 9 without a computer. I hope you'd enjoy this. It's a very easy method. It only takes about 5 minutes of your time, but I recommend